Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You must begin with the accounts and goals clear. Sign into YouTube and open the other channel's public page or YouTube Studio if you manage it. You can immediately read public metrics like views and subscriber counts. These reveal high-level trends. Once done, decide which videos and what date range matter to you, last 30 days, 90 days, or lifetime, because the steps that follow depend on that scope. Make sure to note spikes or recent uploads before deeper analysis. Now you dig into patterns. Open the Videos tab and sort by popularity or date to reveal what performs repeatedly. You should calculate quick ratios, likes divided by views, comments per 1,000 views, to estimate engagement and retention signals. At the same time, scan thumbnails, title hooks, and topic clusters to infer the channel's content strategy and audience targeting. Once you have those signals, map them to your questions. Are uploads regular? Do thumbnails change? And which topics drive spikes? To complete the analysis, pull third-party estimates and trend charts to validate your inferences. These tools provide CTR and view velocity approximations you can compare. Export or log snapshots so you can measure momentum over days or weeks. This makes strategy gaps obvious. If a metric seems wrong, troubleshoot. Clear cache, retry in incognito, and check region or date filters because those often hide videos or skew counts. Finally, synthesize findings into a few actionable changes you can test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.